Using the momentum from rolling up, swing the recipient forward so he can bend at the waist, arms extended. This transition should be done in one fluid motion. Practice makes progress. If the recipient is stiff or uncomfortable with the cross-leg position, he may extend his legs forward before bending forward. Place a cushion or a pillow between his legs and the abdomen of a less flexible recipient. In this position with the recipient lying down, it's when you're gonna perform chopping, double chopping, rolling pin, elbow, swiping, making sure that you do each one of those very, very slow. Practice makes perfect.